Let me walk you through setting up your 2FA for your Microsoft account step by step so your account is secure. Log into your Microsoft account and make sure you're logged into the account you want to secure. Now select the Security tab and enter your password. If you look at the options at the top of your screen, you'll see the Two-Factor Verification option. Click it. Now I recommend you use the Authentication app. If you don't see it, click on Add New Way to Sign In. Select Use the app. Select the Authenticator app. You'll see a QR code. Hold it there. Now grab your phone and head to the Google Play Store on your device. Now search for the Microsoft Authenticator app and make sure it's the Microsoft one. Go ahead and download it. Open the app and click on the Add Account button inside the app. Select Business or Personal Account depending on what you're using. Now all you have to do is select the option to scan the QR code and scan the QR code on your screen. And just like that, you're all set. Now every time you need to log back in, you'll come back to the Authenticator app to use the one-time code. And remember, it resets every 30 seconds for your security. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll assist you immediately. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you don't miss any other videos like this. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart and stay innovative.